Yeah, so this is the Xpertise annual Midlands Technology Leaders event here in Nottingham.
I'm Peter Shone, Corporate Vice President of Engineering for PowerXL International. Nobody will have heard of us because we work in an industry that doesn't sell to the public. PowerXL's 20,000 people. We do clinical development for drug companies, so we run the clinical trials. Out of the last 200 drugs that were launched to treat cancer or critical illness, we researched 197 of them. So we're a market leader, I think you could call that.
I'm James Cameron Williams. I'm the Head of Engineering at Xpertise Consumer Services.
It's all about people, it's all about teams, and it's all about having fun creating journeys and experiences. Public cloud, yes, it's a great enabler, but it's not the cloud that's going to solve your business problems. It's the people that will solve your problems.
This year we're doing a topic around public cloud, which is one of the big sort of CIO IT leaders topics. So we'll be doing two conversations, two speakers this evening, one on the AWS, one on Azure, looking at the pros and cons, looking at the journeys they've been on, looking at the benefits, and hopefully there'll be some great opportunities to learn for the people in the cloud to learn.
I think there's a key point here. No vendor can build a mega suite to keep up with the cloud specialists. People are leveraging the cloud to go much, much faster, really, really fast. Unless you do it in business, you're going to be out of business.
So we created a new cloud platform. We chose AWS, we put it all in the island region, we went for microservices, we got all the mod cons, and I can't tell you how difficult that is. You've got to think about everything in a very, very different way.
We went with Microsoft. Why? Really, it was about B2B. And working with a company that our customers already knew. But what it gave us was these cross-industry innovation capabilities, and that's where it got really interesting. The first application we had to build on the platform cost us the same, or even in fact more than it would have cost us to build in an old world. And we had to learn new stuff, so it cost more to do the first one. The second one cost a fraction of what it would have cost us to build on the old estate. The third one, we just actually handed budget back to a stakeholder. That's the first time while I've been at the company we've done that. So it gets kind of interesting when you start to learn how to use this stuff.
So what does that look like in performance terms? Well, back before, when I joined, it was, days to do a release. Now, we're doing multiple a day. In fact, to do a production release on the same day in the old platform was just unheard of, absolutely impossible. Now we're doing it constantly.
I think it's always good to gain perspective from other companies that have been through similar challenges that you're facing right now. Everybody is going through similar sort of challenges and has the same opportunities.
But it's great to mingle with a room full of IT leaders within the local area, talk about how different businesses work with different clouds and how it suits their individual needs.
The local economy and the local tech economy is really important to support. We're a big player in that tech economy, and it's important that we disseminate the knowledge that we gain through our partnerships.
Xpertise have been great. Richard and Jack and the guys, they come in, they spend time in our organisation, they get to know our people. And that's really important, and that makes for a far better conversation with the people that we're talking to and trying to recruit into our business.
I think it was a great event, very well put on, good information. Thank you.